Okay, what's good, Glam Squad? I am looking a little crusty, okay, because it's wash night. I need to do so many things, but I wanted to give y'all a couple of videos, but I was just like, you know what? Well, not give y'all a couple of videos. I'm gonna give them to y'all, but I'm gonna film them first. But I was like, I can't film in a dirty room and then look at me filming in a dirty room. So anyway, I had to clean my room anyway. So I know some of y'all like the videos when I clean and when I do my makeup brushes and all of that. So today's going to be a cleaning video, and yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up and you guys know how this works. If it's your first time here, welcome to the Glam Squad. Okay, I know I look crazy today. I don't always look like this. Scroll through the other videos and see my track record. I could still take your cousin baby daddy, but anyway, welcome to the Glam Squad. If you haven't already, pause this video and click the like button. I gotta tell y'all something real quick, and then I know y'all just want to hear the music, y'all just want to relax. I promise I'm gonna shut up. I'm doing a giveaway, $100 giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed. I was gonna have y'all do a couple other things, but I changed my mind. I just want y'all to subscribe. When I get to 500 and we have 500 squad members, then we're going to go ahead and I'm gonna do the giveaway, and I'm gonna I think I'm gonna just do it by Cash App or PayPal, something like that. Probably Cash App. Everybody got Cash App. If not, I got Zelle, whatever. We'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm doing a giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to be entered, and once we get to 500, yeah, so all you gotta do is watch the channel and watch us get to 500. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to just record, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm done. I'm tired. I'm out of breath. It's time for me to eat, shower, go to bed. But, well, actually I need to go wash my hair. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all the finished. So, you know, Navage and stuff over here. Dirty clothes. I have to wash. Have to have a wash day, but it is what it is. So, all this is clean. That's always kind of messy over there because, like, it's really hard for me to set those damn stands up, the lights, and keep them up. Whatever. And my bed's clean. So, yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Follow me on all my socials. I put them down below. I love you guys so much. And until next time, be fresh and be fierce.